Now today she leads a campaign to ban the church taking bana out of their school classes.
Based on the point preliminary raised by your defense that it is not a Schedule 5, it's now a Schedule 1, the onus therefore shifts to the state. The state is not opposing your release on bail. However, the request strict conditions in that regard. So the court will fix bail conditions. You must come back to this court on the 21st of October 2024, District Court number 2, the channelizing court that side. Accused number 1, your bail is fixed amount of 3,000 rand. As the defense said, that's how much you can afford. Accused number 2, you are released on warning and warned to appear 8:30, District Court number 2, subject to the following conditions. You are to have no content, direct or indirect. You don't send, you don't Twitter, you don't tweet, you don't SMS, you don't DM, you don't contact the witnesses of this case from count number 1 to 12.
And I'm sorry that some words came out badly. The court said I shouldn't talk about witnesses. I'm not talking about witnesses. I'm talking of the family issue and the things I said on the media. I don't know who the witnesses are in the case. I respect the rule of law. And then my lawyers will help me where I will make a mistake. I don't want to be. We prayed, God healed her. Now today she leads a campaign to ban the church taking bana out of their school classes. The bus is parked at the police station to ban the church. For what? They say it's a community. And when I went to school there, we were unarmed. It was 2:20. The school goes at what time? 2 o'clock. We arrived there. I called revival. I even used the language, I won't use it anymore now. I said, where the hell are you?